Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, this is the 6th of September 2023. Let me just change it back to the 5 minutes time frame because we want to take a system B trade. Okay, I'm taking a buy. I want to set my take profit there. As you can see, the software has shown me where to set my take profit, and boom, yeah, there you go. We should be making a lot of money there. We started this account with $250. As you can see, we've made so much profits. Take profits, take profits, take profits, take profits, take profits, take profits over about a 5 months period. Growing this account. As you can see, take profit, take profit, take profits. We started with some small profits, then we started making some large profits, then we started making some withdrawals. If you look at that, that's a hedge. In total, we've made over $10,000 in withdrawals, and we've made over $46,000 in profit. Once it gets to $50,000, we'll be making another $10,000 withdrawal. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to copy my trade, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account. And yeah, if you want to test my software for free, same thing, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $150 so that I know that you're serious about taking live trades and testing my software. I don't want people who are not serious and just want to play and look at my software. If you are not serious, don't message me. However, if you have done all that, sign up with Milga Markets, funded your account, send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And yeah, we'll be right back once we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits. All right, as you can see, we're moving faster and faster into more profits. I moved to the 15 minutes time frame. We're moving closer and closer to more profits. So let me just okay. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so you can see it better. All right, there you go. Oh, we're moving fast and very quick. Remember, if you want to learn how to do this, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You can get any of the courses. The difference between the courses is how much time I spend with you. We will be taking live scalp trades, live swing trades, all just like this one, system A trades, system B trades, live hedging, and you also get the software for free. Okay, what does the software do? The software tells you when to buy, where to sell, where with the market trend, where to exit, where to hedge. You know, for scalping, for swinging, for hedging, it does everything in a second the moment you put it on your PC. And yeah, while you're taking the live session, we'll be taking live trades also. Okay, we're not just talking. I'll be taking live trades with you, and I'll be showing you the system work. With that being said, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the we're moving. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, and we're back. As you can see, it's late in the night. It took about 6 hours, but we hit our take profit, $2,500 done and dusted. As you can see, it's just rotating about where we put our take profit. And there you go, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. It's this very easy. The software does all the analysis. And yeah, if you want to copy my trades or test my software, sign up in Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you fund your account and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. With that being said, we'll be right back with another trade once we are into more profits or we see another opportunity next time. Make sure you comment for the algorithm, and yeah, hope you have a nice trading day ahead.